Hi there everyone, my name's Adam. I work for Norfolk Library and Information Service and this is my colleague April.
Hi everyone!
Some of you might remember that every year in libraries we do a summer reading challenge where if you read at least 6 books you can collect stickers and you also get a medal and a certificate. Normally someone from Norfolk Libraries would come to your school and do an assembly to tell you all about it. But as we can't do that this year, me and April have made this video for you.
Because of the current coronavirus situation, it isn't possible to use the library to borrow books in the same way. So, the people at the reading agency who organised the Summer Reading Challenge got their thinking caps on and came up with a new Summer Reading Challenge that you can still take part in virtually.
Those of you that have done the challenge before will know that there are a couple of rules. Number 1, you need to read at least 6 books over the summer. If you want to read even more, that's great, but to do the challenge, 6 books. And the second rule is the books you read must be library books. Except this year, that bit's different. Because obviously, we're living in unprecedented times and we don't know exactly what's going on and we don't know when you're going to be able to get to libraries or borrow books, we decided the books that you have at home also count towards the challenge. How good is that? So all you need to do is read your 6 books and you've done it.
Normally you come into the library to sign up, but this year you'll need to go to the Summer Reading Challenge website. You'll need a grown-up to help you with this bit. The website is on the screen now, or you can ask a grown-up to Google Summer Reading Challenge and it will come up.
Now this bit is really important. When you go to the Summer Reading Challenge website, your grown-up will have to sign up first. They sign up and then they can sign you up. We will have a step-by-step video on our own YouTube channel to help you through this tricky bit. If you go to YouTube and search for Norfolk Libraries, you'll find our channel and then from there you'll be able to find the video.
You won't get actual physical stickers this year, but you can track your progress on the website. There are all sorts of things you can do on the Summer Reading Challenge website, including playing games. There are challenges to unlock and every time you complete a challenge you get a virtual badge. Most importantly, it's all free!
Each year, the Summer Reading Challenge has a different theme. In the past we've had Roald Dahl, we've had Creepy House, we've had Mythical Mazes. We also had last year Space Chase, but this year the theme is Silly Squad. Now the Silly Squad, they really like funny books. That's their favourite type of book. And if you like funny books, you can read them. But don't worry, the idea of the Summer Reading Challenge is that you read any books that you like. So if you rather would read a serious book, you can read a serious book. If you'd rather read a fantasy book, you can do that. If you'd like to read a comic book, you can definitely do that. And they don't even have to be stories. You could read an information book on anything you like, be it what I like is football, but it could be on another sport like gymnastics, could be on cookery or art, anything you like, even films or TV shows. They all count towards the challenge. So the Silly Squad, like I said, they really like funny books, but I'm not going to give away any other spoilers about them. You'll just have to head to the Summer Reading Challenge website where you can find out more.
So there you have it, for 1 year only, a special digital Summer Reading Challenge. We really hope you enjoy reading books over the summer. Don't forget, if you go to the Norfolk Library Catalogue website, you can get a grown-up to help you download ebooks. Your teacher can tell you the address after your assembly if you need it.
Thank you for watching our video, and we hope to see you again in libraries when it's safe for you to come and visit.